What's the meaning of coal scuttle? Coal scuttle. Coal scuttle.
Coal scuttle. Coal scuttle. A coal scuttle is a container used for holding coal. Typically, it has a wide opening at the top and a narrow spout at the front that enables the user to pour the coal where needed. The word scuttle derives from the Old Norse scuttle, meaning a container with a lid. Coal scuttles were popular in the past when coal was commonly used as a fuel for heating homes and buildings. They were designed to be easy to carry and to avoid spilling coal as it was being transported. Today, coal scuttles are primarily decorative items used to add a touch of nostalgia to a room's decor.